All right, Larry. Well, you may not want to think about it, but tax season is well underway. The filing process can be time-consuming, so confusing.
You're right, I don't want to think about it. And our consumer investigator, Hank Winchester, is live for the help you might need. Our Tax Help for You phone bank with experts to answer all those questions. And Hank, it looks like they've been ringing all day.
Yeah, they've certainly been busy, Jason and Sandra, since early this morning. You may not want to have to think about it, but you have to think about it because that deadline quickly approaching April 15th. There are some changes to the tax laws, especially within the last few years, things you need to be aware of. Unfortunately, something that people deal with every single year, scammers, people looking to try to take advantage of you. The goal, to get your money and your personal information. Here is how you can stay safe.
In today's world, you know, there's a lot that goes on that's really not that good, and you have to take the extra step to protect yourself.
You can bet crooks are ramping up their tax scam plans to steal from unsuspecting victims. Expect an increase in scam calls from people pretending to be from the IRS.
There's no honest agency that's going to require personal information over the phone. And I would put a period after that.
And these scams come in email form too. Criminals asking you to update your account. They're hoping to grab your financial information. But the link to click will have malware on it, compromising your computer. And if a scammer has stolen your social security number, they'll try to cash in quickly, filing taxes with your number, collecting that money for themselves. If you hire somebody to do your taxes, check their references. Fake preparers can steal your information and then disappear. They're called ghost tax preparers.
These are individuals that are being paid to prepare tax returns, but they are not signing their name as preparing the return.
By the time you figure out what's happened, the IRS has no way to track these crooks down. And when your return is complete, make sure you review it with a certified tax preparer to make sure that you understand the numbers before signing and sending it off.
Make that extra effort to verify who you're talking to.
Because at the end of the day, we all need to be careful of these tax scammers.
If you're online, if you're carrying around a smartphone in your pocket, or if you're getting on a computer, you need to be cautious.
Unfortunately, that's the reality. The scammers are out there. They are looking for you to make one small mistake, and then they make their move. That is why that information regarding how to avoid a scam is so important. We're going to put everything you need to know on the Help Me Hank page at clickondetroit.com. Share it with your family and friends. Right now, we want to hear from you. If you have a tax question or concern and you want expert advice, it is free. You can call our Help Me Hank phone bank right now at 313-298-WDIB. We're back here at 6 o'clock with more critical information as we approach that April 15th deadline. Jason, Sandra, back to you.
All right, Hank, we'll see you at 6.